Our story begins 4.5 billion years ago. Imagine a vast, swirling cloud of dust and gas, a nebula. This is Earth's birthplace. Gravity, the architect of the cosmos, slowly draws this material inward. The cloud collapses in on itself, spinning faster and faster. As the cloud compresses, its center heats up. Temperatures soar, reaching millions of degrees. This is the birth of our sun, a star fueled by nuclear fusion. Around this newborn star, the remaining dust and gas begin to clump together. These clumps, drawn by gravity, collide and stick together, gradually growing larger. Over millions of years, these cosmic collisions give rise to planets, including our own Earth. In the beginning, Earth is a hot, molten ball of rock, a far cry from the vibrant planet we know today. The early Earth is a scene of intense heat and chaos. This period, known as the Hadean Eon, is aptly named after the underworld. Volcanoes erupt across the planet's surface, spewing lava and gases into the primordial atmosphere. The sky glows an angry red. Asteroids and comets, remnants from the solar system's formation, bombard the young Earth. These impacts release even more heat, keeping the planet in a molten state. It is during this turbulent time that a cataclysmic event occurs, forever shaping Earth's destiny. A Mars-sized object collides with Earth in a colossal impact. The debris from this collision, caught in Earth's gravitational pull, eventually coalesces to form our moon. This celestial dance leaves an indelible mark on our planet, influencing its tides, rotation, and perhaps even the emergence of life itself. As millions of years pass, Earth begins to cool. The relentless bombardment from space subsides. Water vapor, trapped in the atmosphere since Earth's formation, condenses and falls as rain. Torrential downpours last for millennia, filling vast basins that will become our oceans. These early oceans are hot and acidic, a far cry from the life-teeming waters we know today. Yet, within this seemingly inhospitable environment, a miracle occurs. The first single-celled organisms, simple prokaryotes, emerge. These pioneering life forms, harnessing energy from their surroundings, thrive in the depths of the oceans, far from the harsh conditions on the surface. Life, in its simplest form, has taken hold on our planet. Section 5. Cambrian Explosion. Life finds its groove. The stage is set for a remarkable chapter in Earth's history, the Cambrian Explosion. Starting around 540 million years ago, the fossil record reveals an unprecedented burst of evolutionary innovation. Life diversifies at an astonishing rate, filling the oceans with a dazzling array of new creatures. Trilobites, with their segmented bodies and hard exoskeletons, crawl across the seafloor. Early fish, some with primitive jaws, dart through the water. Cephalopods, the ancestors of squid and octopuses, develop complex eyes and remarkable intelligence. The Cambrian explosion marks a turning point in the history of life. It is during this time that the basic body plans for most major animal groups that exist today are established. Section 6. Land Ahoy! Life's next adventure. For billions of years, life had flourished in the oceans. However, a new frontier awaits land. This transition is fraught with challenges. Organisms must adapt to a drier environment with greater temperature, fluctuations, and exposure to harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The first pioneers to colonize land are plants. Around 450 million years ago, simple plants such as mosses and liverworts begin to spread inland, their roots anchoring them to the soil and their leaves capturing sunlight. With plants established on land, animals soon follow. Insects, with their exoskeletons providing protection from desiccation, are among the first to venture onto land. Amphibians, descendants of fish that had evolved to breathe air, make the transition from water to land, their limbs evolving into legs. Life on land begins to flourish, transforming Earth's barren landscapes. Section 7. The reign of giants, dinosaurs, takes center stage. The Mesozoic era, spanning from 252 to 66 million years ago, is often referred to as the Age of Dinosaurs. These magnificent creatures evolved from reptilian ancestors, ruling the Earth for over 180 million years. From colossal sauropods to the fearsome T-Rex, dinosaurs were not the only players. Pterosaurs soared through the skies. Marine reptiles ruled the oceans. However, this era came to a dramatic end. Around 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid slammed into Earth. The impact triggered catastrophic events, blocking out the sun and plunging the planet into darkness. This marked the end of the Cretaceous period and the reign of the dinosaurs. Section 8. The rise of mammals. A new era begins. In the aftermath of the dinosaur extinction, a new era dawned, the Cenozoic era, also known as the Age of Mammals. With dinosaurs gone, mammals, who had lived in the shadows of giants for millions of years, were presented with a unique opportunity to diversify and thrive. Mammals, with their warm-blooded metabolism, ability to give birth to live young, and adaptation to a variety of habitats, quickly filled the ecological niches left vacant by the dinosaurs. They evolved into a diverse array of forms, from the tiny shrews to the massive whales. Among the most remarkable lineages of mammals are the primates. These agile climbers, with their grasping hands, binocular vision, and relatively large brains, are well suited to life in the trees. Over millions of years, a particular group of primates, the hominids, evolved to walk upright on two legs. This lineage eventually gave rise to our own species, Homo sapiens, around 200,000 years ago. Section 9. Humanity's footprint shaping the future. Humans, with their capacity for abstract thought, language and tool use, have a profound impact on the planet. From the dawn of civilization, we have altered landscapes, domesticated plants and animals, and built cities. Our technological advancements have allowed us to harness the power of fossil fuels, revolutionizing transportation, industry, and agriculture. However, our impact on Earth has not been without consequences. The burning of fossil fuels has led to a dramatic increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels, contributing to climate change. Deforestation, pollution, and overexploitation of natural resources are pushing ecosystems to the brink. As we face the challenges of the 21st century, it is crucial to recognize our interconnectedness with the natural world. The choices we make today will determine the fate of our planet and future generations. Section 10. Reflections on a Blue Marble. Lessons from Earth's story. Earth's story is a testament to change, adaptation, and resilience. From its fiery birth to the rise of civilizations, our planet has undergone a remarkable journey. Reflecting on this saga, we are reminded of the preciousness of our pale blue dot. We are part of a vast web of life, and our actions have consequences. By learning from Earth's history, we can create a sustainable future. The story of Earth continues to unfold, and we are all a part of it.